counter, so you can verify your generator whether it is giving proper frequency or not. The power supply voltage checking, for current checking you can use this SMU. For multimeters, your tabletop ammeters, voltmeters, those analog types, generally mostly used in your electrical labs or maybe on the circuit lab. So those panel meters you can verify with this up to 1 ampere and up to 200 volt. This meter is very specific for the lower measurement. You can go till nano ampere, nanovolt. So this is very precise for some nano to up to higher ampere rating current. Now we can check with this electronics load. So we are just connecting DC electronics load to measure the current capacity of the DC power supply. So we are just connected through this positive terminal of the power supply and negative to the negative terminals of the both of these instrument, load and power supply. So this electronics load we can operate in different mode, constant voltage mode, constant current mode. So since we want to measure current sourcing capacity of the power supply, and this power supply range is 0 to 2 ampere, so we now operating this load on a constant current mode. Okay, so we just given constant current at a certain voltage. I should draw maximum current from this source. So here I can vary. So right now I am selected say 400 milliampere. So I am getting 400 milliampere. So I am just increase this. So it should giving now 500, 600, 800, 900, 1 ampere. You can gradually I am just increasing and I am just checking at that setting which I am trying to draw whether it is able to sourcing that current or not. So maximum capacity is 2 ampere. So I can go till 2 ampere. 1.9, 1.9. So it is getting 2 ampere. Now if I try to draw more after certain tolerance level, you can check like what is the maximum level. Output is rated 2, but there will be some protection rating. So now see the voltage dropped. Since I am trying to draw more than its capacity. So you can define that it can drive 2.5 ampere maximum. After 2.5 you can see I have set it at 2 volt. This power supply should source 2 ampere. So what I did is at 2 volt I am increasing the current drawing capacity. So till 2.5 it is able to source that. The moment I ask more than 2.5, since it is constant mode, it is now to protect the unit, it is dropping the voltage at 0. So I can say that this power supply is now is working on a good operating area as per the specification of the design of this. So it can draw up to 2 ampere to certain level. So similarly we can define any power supply directly with this load. Current capacity of that power supply we can verify and test. So the power supply is working on that. Just simply connecting simple LED. So electronics load will act as a programming and draw the current from the source. So that's how we do the testing of a power supply.